Hey, how's it going YouTube? I'm back with another video. It's a new quantum cooking episode. Hopefully you can see the sign a bit better this week. Well, not really this week. I haven't uploaded a cooking video for a while now, but hey, I'm here, I'm doing it. Can't complain, right? I've got all the ingredients arranged out here as normal, but today I thought I'd theme it up and put them all in mugs. Apart from this one. This one's in a bowl. Wonderful, let's get into this. Oh, I haven't told you what we're doing. We're making the one bowl chocolate cake. First step, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 160 fan forced. I have a fan forced oven. I'm going to do 160, but once again, if you see on my last video, I don't do the oven first. Preheating your oven takes seconds, you know, so push that to the side, okay? Second step. Oh wait, no. There's more to the first step. It says grease deep 20 centimeter round cake pan lined with baking powder. Ooh, that sounds tricky. I didn't read that. Oh well. By the way guys, I'm using the Woman's Weekly Classics Cakes book. Recipe is in the description. Okay guys, I've got my pan, I've got my paper. Let's do this. Oh yeah, life hack. This is how you do it. Get your pan, measure out your paper, rip your paper, okay? Discard this. Undo the thing. Alright, so that pops out. Alright, and then what you're going to do is you're going to sandwich the paper between the thing and the thing. Okay? I know, rocket science. And then you're going to shut it. And so as you can see, it's still, get the light on that, sandwich between. And all you have to do is rip around. Sorry, I can't see my head, but, you know, just rip around. It's that easy, guys. Need some butter to grease it. I'm not going to use this butter, because that's for the recipe. Yep, it's in a mug. It's in my my favourite Tim Tam mug, like having my coffee in it. And if you're wondering why they're in flakes, well, the butter was frozen. Just get a tiny bit of butter like that, and then hit your pan, rub it around. Oh, I wish I'd read this step earlier. I've been doing it with you guys, but yeah, it's fun anyway. How you guys doing during Sharona? If you're watching this video now, or maybe you're in the future. And coronavirus is all but a figure of the past. Figure of the past? Thing of the past? I don't know how to English, guys. As you can see, I'm doing it with my fingers. Just rub-dub-dub.
Rub-a-dub-a-dub, a rub-a-dee-dubby, a rubby-dubby-dubby.
Alright peeps, I've finished greasing the pan. I'm just going to put a bit of flour in that. Okay. By the way guys, I'm wearing the shirt that I wore in the 5th episode of the Neil and Jake show, so make sure you go check that out. Smash like, smash subscribe, if you haven't already. Second step. Time for the Thermomix. Let's beat the butter. Going in like that. Put in the butter, the extract, okay. If you saw my cookie video, I used the same extract as I am now. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Alright. Extract is done. Sugar. Sugar. What will we do without sugar? Well, we probably have much better teeth, that's for sure. Sugar's going in. Sugar! Yay! Next is the eggs. As you can see, I was given some beautiful eggs this morning from my neighbours. They have a bit of chicken shit on them. Yeah, beautiful. I'm sure you didn't need to see that, but you just did. Whoopsie-daisies. bottoms up. Next is your sifted self-raising flour. Okay, I didn't have self-raising flour. We haven't been shopping in loads because of a little thing called Corona. Here's a little song I made up. Well, I didn't make it up. Belongs to the Knack. I just adjusted it a tiny bit.
Ooh, you live pretty thick, pretty thick. When you gotta give me some time, Corona. Ooh, you make my body run. My body run. Gun is coming up the line, Corona. Ooh, gun is my Corona. Coronavirus, yeah.
Go check out the original, guys. Knack is a terrific band. Love them. True Australian rock. Anyway, before I got carried away, I was just saying, self-raising flour, okay? Didn't have it, so just use the normal quantity of flour and add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Remember that. Pop that in. And last, but not least, cocoa in this beautiful Star Wars mug. Look at that. It's sick. There we go, guys. That's why it's called a 1-bowl chocolate cake. Guys, I have some bad news. The cocoa wasn't the last ingredient. The water's the last ingredient. How could I be so stupid? Because it says here, beat butter, extract, sugar, eggs, sifted flour, and cocoa, and the water. You can't use the word "and" twice. It tricks people. I just spilled some, but I think it's okay. This recipe is pretty flexible, I think. I've made it loads. Alright, guys. Time to mix it up. It says in the recipe book that you put it on a low speed until combined, so I'm going to go like on a 3 maybe. If you don't have a Thermomix, just use a mixer. Alright guys, that looks really good. Now, it says to increase the speed to medium and beat about 3 minutes or until mixture is smooth and pale in colour. Alright, let's do that, medium. So, about 5, 4.5. Alright, I've just stopped it halfway through the 3 minutes. Just gonna scrape down any flour or dry ingredients or stuff down the side of the Thermomix. Alright, put it on for another 1.5 minutes. Alright, I'm calling that done. Looks pretty good to me. And you guys think? Ugh, my thumb's getting in the way. I always do that. Can you get that? I don't know. The light's a bit bad, but it's a nice custardy consistency. Time to put this in the pan. There you have it. That is the 1-bowl chocolate cake. It says to cook for an hour, so I would do that, or until it looks cooked. You can always put a skewer in, and if it comes out wet, then you know it needs more cooking time. If it comes out with crumbs, it's perfect.